The mobile coastal missile system BAL-E equipped with anti-ship cruise missiles of type kh35E. The purpose of the system is control over strait zones and territorial waters, protection of naval bases, various military and strategic installations on the coast against enemy marine force assault, the areas with high risk of seaborne assault, as well as gaining dominance on the sea within missile kill zone. System equipment is arranged in protected compartments mounted on a cross-country chassis, which renders mobility to the system means and ensures tactical employment in coastal areas of all regions under any weather conditions, rain, snow, fog, in any time of the year and day, within broad range of outside air temperatures, and also under conditions of nuclear, chemical and bacterial contamination in the operating area. The availability of night vision devices, navigation equipment, surveying and positioning equipment enables the system to quickly change launching and reloading positions after combat task execution in any time of the day and under any weather conditions, as well as to perform dispersed relocation to a new operating area. The basic delivery set of the BAL-E system includes a self-propelled command, control and communication post, up to 2 vehicles. Each vehicle has a crew of 5. A self-propelled launcher, up to 4 vehicles. Each vehicle has a crew of 4. A transporter loader vehicle, up to 4 pieces. Each vehicle has a crew of 2. The transporter reloader vehicle is designed to carry the transportation and reloading container of a second salvo and reload it onto the launcher. The availability of a battle reserve of anti-ship missiles on the transporter reloader vehicles enables a second salvo after reloading of the launchers, which enhances the firepower and combat efficiency of the system. The centralized fire control is implemented through the use of a self-propelled command, control and communication post, which provides target designation and optimal distribution of targets between launchers, depending on their combat readiness and location on combat position. The availability of high-precision active and passive channels of radar detection enables to implement a flexible detection strategy, including concealed detection. A provision is also made for receiving operational information from higher command posts and external reconnaissance and target designation means, both by the self-propelled command, control and communication post and individual launchers. The system of combat control over the coastal missile system means is implemented using the digital methods of message transmission, automated establishment of communication, processing of messages and their distribution, and data encrypting with guaranteed immunity. The coastal missile system BAL-E can be deployed on both surveyed and non-surveyed positions. Remoteness of launch position from the coast is up to 10 kilometers. The total ammunition capacity is up to 64 missiles. The efficiency of hitting group naval targets and single ships is achieved through the use of anti-ship missiles with jamming immune active homing head on the final trajectory leg, as well as due to firing both with single missiles and in salvo from any launcher in the self-contained control mode, with target designation received from the external sources, and also with single missiles and in salvo from different launchers under centralized control. The concealment of combat positions is ensured by a possibility to conduct combat operations in the presence of artificial and natural barriers in the firing direction.